guys, welcome back. So I'm going to show you how to tie a wee extended mayfly body, the copydex style. That's it there. I'm just putting these together, just around about 2 dozen of them, of the spent mayfly, the copydex mayfly as it's called. Now this is it's an old technique, but it's well worth knowing. I know you can buy the extended bodies and it's probably more convenient, but I think this is more cost effective using the copydex, and I think you get a better looking body. Now all you need, this is just a sheet of glass, sheet of thin glass out of a photo frame, I think it was, and then just a tube of the copydex adhesive. That's it there. Now I got this out of the Hobbycraft store in Belfast. I don't know if there's a Hobbycraft stores across the UK or in Ireland, but I got this in Belfast. Now it's only, I think that was £2.50 or £3, something like that. So you're just looking to take some of the copydex out onto your index finger. Lift your pane of glass and then just spread this around about a half a index finger length out into the glass. Oh, just taking it the one way. Okay, then we'll just come in, a bit of kitchen roll here, clean my finger. Now, see the edge of the glass? Just come down with your kitchen roll and the same at the front. The same at the front of the glass here. Okay, then double that in the dry. Get your, this is just a black cock pheasant tail. Dyed black, sorry. Take 3 fibres of the pheasant tail. Take your 3 fibres. Just trim away the ends. It has the skin still on it. Keep your pheasant tail fibres the shape that you like. Just come in with your copydex again. Just a wee bit of copydex onto the tail. And then place these around about maybe 7-8mm up from the edge of the glass and the length that you want them. Now just leave it there. If you've got a wee heater, just put the copydex over a wee radiator or a heater just to dry it until it starts, you'll start to see it going translucent. But we're going to leave it there and then we'll come back when the copydex is dry. Okay guys, so that's us back. So you can see the way the copydex has started to go clear and translucent. Now this is the fun part. You just come in with your finger and just start to flick it up. Just start to roll it. And we're just going to roll this right the whole way up, catching in the pheasant tail. Just use my index finger just to roll it the whole way up. Then you can come in and speed the process up by using your 2 fingers, your 2 index fingers. Just roll it the whole way up off the glass, and that there is your copydex extended mayfly body. Now copydex is a natural latex, it's a natural rubber, so this is going to float really well for you. With the spent, it's going to sit right in the film. And like I said at the start of the other clip, I know that you can buy the extended bodies, so it's probably a wee bit more convenient, but you will get loads of mayfly bodies out of a tube of copydex, and just make them different sizes, you know, the slimness, the thickness of the body, and so on, the whole way up. Now like I say, it's really good for to have it as a trailing shock. And what you can do is, when you're tying these, is just come in, just snip away the latex at the bottom of that one. And you see these wee end bits here. These are great to give an impression of a shock on hatching midge, and buzzers. And you can also colour these up. Now if you're going to colour them up with a permanent marker and you're going to put bands on them, let them dry. Let them dry. What I tend to do with the mayfly body is this is just a cheap black varnish. I'll just use a needle and mark out the black bands, 3 to 4 black bands at the end of the tail, and basically down the sides of the extended bodies. So look guys, that's just a wee technique with the copydex. That's it there. I'm sure everybody knows what copydex was. We used to use this stuff like at school for arts and all that sort of stuff. Not that we weren't doing anything we shouldn't have been doing with it, but it's dead cheap. You'll get loads of mayfly bodies, and you can use other extended bodies. You can also put some dubbing in the latex as well and roll it, and that, instead of having a translucent body, the way you can see there, you'll get colour, and that's you can do with it. So look guys, hopefully I've got something out of that. I'll maybe put the wee fly together in another video. I'm just flat out here at the minute tying salmon flies, but I'll put the wee copydex mayfly together for you on another video, and hopefully I've got something from that. Anyway, thanks for taking the time to watch. Greatly appreciate it as always, and I'll see you on the next one.